Hi guys, this is Anna. We are going to make a vegetable smoothie. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. The ingredients are 1 small pineapple. I forgot, supposed to give you all the 1 carrot, 1 small size carrot, 1 cucumber, 1 beetroot, and then young meat of 1 coconut. And then we're also going to use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So I'll just put all the ingredients in the blender. This is my first time making a vegetable smoothie, so you're seeing it all together. And then there I put the water of 1 coconut water, and then a cup of water, and I blended it all up. Yeah, it's a nice consistency. If I added more water, it would have even been smoother, but it was my first attempt, so and I love the color. It looks amazing. The color is so cute. Tastes nice, not